Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to ground answers with citations in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually just come here and open up a new chat. At the right hand panel, I want you to scroll down until you see tools. Click on this down arrow, it will reveal more options. And then you'll see grounding with Google search. I want you to just go ahead and toggle this one on and then enter your prompt. The prompt I'm using is this: explain the current consensus on the health benefits of intermittent fasting. Give citations on recent research studies. So I'm being very explicit and asking them to give citations. I'll go ahead and hit run, but usually when you have this toggled on, it will give you the sources. At the bottom, it will give you the links, but you need to be explicit that they need to give citations. I'll show you the example once it is done with this. So here, as you can see, it is citing, right, all the studies that it has used and has numbered them as well. So here are the exact sources, as you can see. And that is how to ground answers with citations in Google AI Studio.